What is up, everybody? Daniel Duan with Southern Sticks. Here I'm at Power Implements. So we got a 2015 Phoenix 919 Pro XP in. They're gonna be rigging it up with a couple of new little things to it. Pretty color. Come out and check it out. We'll walk over here. We got a couple other newer boats and another trade-in boat. Just come down. It's that time of the year. Weather's beautiful. Get yourselves in a boat. Go out and enjoy the water with the family. So here we got two brand new tile waters that just come in and getting detailed. And then we have a Nitro Z7, which is getting detailed by Precision Auto Shine with Garrett. If y'all need anything wash and clean, I'm telling y'all, he's the best. He's mobile. He can come to you, your boats, your cars, anything. Y'all give him a holler. Look him up on Facebook and he can hook y'all up. Man, we got some beautiful boats getting cleaned up, ready to get bought. Y'all come out. Let's get y'all in one of these things. We get fishing. We have some other boats on the lot. Some other used boats for y'all to come check out. We got aluminums, we got fiberglass. We got some G3 bays. We got Pathfinders. We got some Camus boats. This is a brand new Camus right here. Let's go over here and check this color out. It's like a baby blue and gray. I'm not gonna take the cover off of it, but here we go. Check this color out. Brand new. Brand new. We got two other Camuses right here. Power poles and match. Beautiful. We also got this big old Camus right here. This big bad boy. You go out, catch you some tuna. You pretty much go out and catch you whatever you want. Party, cruising around with the family. Here's a Pathfinder 2500. Rigged out, ready to go. We're gonna go across to on the other side. We got some amazing G3 boats. For y'all that don't want a big old fiberglass boat and don't want to stay in some skinny water, we got y'all hooked up. And here at Power Implements, wherever you get, they can rig anything you want, add anything you want. They can do it total customization for whatever you want. So here we got the G3s, we got the 1610, we got the 1810, we got a 17, two 17s. So, and we still got one new pontoon. There y'all go. So y'all come on out, look at some of these boats, let us get you fitted into something that's perfect for you and get you and your family out on that water. and enjoy this beautiful weather. I got some more videos coming up soon. I showed up here today, got some new rims put on my boat, and they had all these other boats on the lot. I just wanted to show y'all everything that they have. So y'all come down, let's get y'all in one, get you and your family on the water again, and stay sticky.